and welcome in today's new video. Today we are making a chunk roast easy recipe. The meat is perfectly cooked, it's juicy, tender, crunchy in the outside, tender in the inside. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Mr. Ram. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner, and on my YouTube channel I only share recipes to help people build muscles and lose body fat. I share recipe that you guys can enjoy no matter what is your health and wellness goal. So everything that I use on this recipe will be on the description box below. So please guys, go and check. You will also get my link for my coaching programs, my ebooks, and my free guide to help you build a healthy plate. If you do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start with this chunk roast and low carb gravy sauce recipe. For this recipe, I use around 2 pounds of chunk roast that I cut, but you can use yours like no cut, but mine I cut them in smaller pieces. I put it in a bowl. Now it's time to add the seasoning, so I'm adding some salt. I'm be really generous with the seasoning, honestly. Then I will be adding some pepper. Once again, be generous with the amount of pepper you use. And I'm adding some dried thyme. That's optional, you don't have to use any kind of herbs, but I like when my meat is seasoning with some thyme. And now I mix everything with my hands. Make sure the spices are everywhere. And I heat a pan and I add 1 or 2 large spoons of beef tallow. Then I'm gonna cook, just brown my meat on it. So I'm adding my meat on my heated pan with the tallow. And then I'm gonna come back and just flip it over to turn, I'm just gonna turn it over to cook the other side of the meat. And I'm gonna do it a couple of times. I come back again, I check the sides, make sure the sides are brown as well. And depending on how many pounds of meat you're using, but for 2 pounds of meat I'm adding 2 cups of water. Then I cover with some parchment paper. I add the lid on top before it goes in the oven. So I will put it in the oven at 350. So make sure you preheat your oven before, and it's gonna cook for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, our chunk roast is perfectly cooked. So here is the result. And I'm gonna use all the juice that coming out of the meat. I'm gonna make the gravy sauce with it. As a thickener for my low carb gravy, I will be using some psyllium husk, so around 2 tablespoons. Then I'm adding some onion powder, garlic powder. And with a fork, I just mix everything well. I just mix the seasoning that I just had, this onion musk and the juice. I mix everything well. I take my time. They have to be well incorporated. And I will be adding a little bit of butter. So I'm adding 1-2 tablespoons of butter. Then I mix everything well to melt my butter. You will have to take your time for this gravy sauce and make sure you mix everything well to combine. So once my butter is well melted and incorporated, I'm gonna add some water. So you add the water depending of the consistency you want your gravy to be. So I did add around a half a cup of water, and I mix everything well. and I tried and I add a little bit of more pepper and some salt, and I mix everything well one more time. And here is the final result of my gravy. I like when my gravy is not too liquidy. I like when it has a juicy, saucy texture. So here's the final result, and it's perfect with the meat. This is the end of this video where I share 2 recipes that I really do enjoy. I love chunk roast because chunk roast is a juicy, tender, and flavorful fat of the beef. Is high in fat, really good healthy fat. This is a recipe you can do for the holidays, like Thanksgiving or Christmas, for example. You can share with your family and a friend. You can also meal prep this chunk roast recipe as well and eat it all through the week. The gravy sauce that I made is a simple, easy one, using scallion husk to make it a low in carb. Those scallion husk that I use will be on the description box below. I put the link on. You also get the full ingredients as well on the description box below. So please go and check. You also get my free guides, my ebooks, and my coaching program available. All the link will be on the description box below. I hope you guys did like and enjoy this video. So if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys again for next video. Bye.